Subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell for all future notifications. So for the first hairstyle, we are going to make a side parting and then take all our hair to one side. I'm going to now divide all these hair into 3 equal strands. They can be unequal as well because it's going to be a bun and it's fine if it's unequal. It's going to get more texture actually. So I'm going to make a low braid. Make sure that it's exactly at the nape of your neck, and I'm just going to do a regular 3-strand braid. In case you do not know how to braid your own hair, then I will link a tutorial where I've tried to explain it as easily as possible. And if you have longer hair like me, you can leave the ends like so, but if you have shorter hair, I would recommend that you braid till the end. And then in the usual way, you just wrap the braid into a bun and make sure you hide the ends under the bun the way I'm doing, and then just secure your bun from all directions with as many bobby pins as you want, and make sure it's really secured so that it doesn't come off during the day. If you're having a long day, if you're having a party, you're dancing, just make sure it's nicely secure. And then just pull a few pieces from your crown to get a little more volume over there. You can also backcomb your hair if you want a lot more volume, but this is the way I generally prefer. Also take out your bangs from the other side as well to frame your face. And if you have longer bangs like me, then you can probably just twist and merge it with the actual bun the way I've done. If you have shorter bangs, just leave them as it is as per your preference. So this is the first hairstyle, guys. I love how this has turned out, and also a makeup tutorial on this look is coming on Monday, so stay tuned for that as well. Now for the second hairstyle, I'm going to work with a middle parting, and then I'm going to take a really thin strand like so just to frame my face, and then I'm going to take a thicker strand from the back and divide it into 2 equal strands and then make a rope braid. I do not have a full tutorial on rope braid, but I'll do it very soon. So basically you just add more hair to the outer section and twist it, and then you add more hair to the newer outer section, and then just go ahead, twist and turn both the sections over each other, and that's how the rope braid is going to look like. And then just secure it at the back with a couple of bobby pins and make sure again that it's secure, because these hairstyles, if they are not secured nicely, they generally do come off very easily, and that's not the situation we want, right? So yeah, make sure that you have secured it nicely and make sure that your bobby pins are not visible as well. Also, obviously pull out a few pieces to make it look more glamorous and beautiful. The usual drill we always do just to get a little more volume. So yeah, do the usual stuff and then repeat the exact same step on the other side as well. And this is how the final outcome would look like. This is so elegant, and both the hairstyles have looked so good with high necks, and they're going to look with normal neck styles as well. And if you're wearing off shoulder, oh my god, it's going to look really pretty. So these were 2 of my recommendations for Valentine's. If you're going to recreate any of them, then do tag me in your pictures on Instagram and follow me there if you're not following already. Also subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you very soon with a new tutorial on this makeup look. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you all so much. Mwah.